It feels almost surreal to say this, but the iPhone 17 lineup is right around the corner. In fact, we're now just weeks away from Apple officially unveiling what could be the most ambitious and futuristic iPhone generation to date. With leaks pouring in from case manufacturers, display suppliers, and trusted insiders in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be far more than a routine upgrade. Instead, this year looks like the beginning of a brand new chapter in how Apple designs, markets, and innovates within its flagship smartphone lineup. Over the past few months, we've seen rumors about groundbreaking telephoto cameras, anti-reflective displays, relocated antennas for stronger 5G reception, new case materials, redesigned MagSafe layouts, and even whispers of Apple partnering with Google to use Gemini AI to revamp Siri. That last one alone has the entire tech world buzzing, because it would mean Apple is finally admitting it has fallen behind in AI. So in this in-depth breakdown, we're going to cover every single leak and rumor surrounding the iPhone 17 lineup, from the Pro Max's exclusive telephoto zoom camera, to the iPhone 17 Air's perfect middle ground design, to the possibility of new AI-powered Siri that could change how you use your iPhone every single day. We'll also touch on the release date, expected pricing, and how the iPhone 17 compares to its predecessor, the iPhone 16 family. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's go deep into the world of iPhone 17, because there's a lot more happening here than meets the eye. iPhone 17 Pro Max. The telephoto camera revolution, one of the biggest and most exciting rumors surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is its massive telephoto camera upgrade. If you've been following Apple's strategy for the past few years, you'll know they often reserve their most advanced camera tech for the Max model first, before eventually bringing it to the smaller Pro the following year. This time, the rumor suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will ditch the 12MP telephoto camera we've all grown accustomed to and instead jump to a 48MP telephoto sensor capable of 5x to 8x variable optical zoom. This wouldn't just be digital zoom or a sensor crop trick. We're talking about a physically moving camera module that allows smooth, real optical zoom between those ranges. Imagine being able to capture crystal clear images of a concert, staged from the back row, or zoom in on a mountain peak while hiking without any loss in detail. That's the kind of photography upgrade Apple wants to bring with the 17 Pro Max, and if this pans out, it would instantly give Apple one of the most powerful telephoto cameras on any smartphone in the world. But here's the twist. This upgrade may be exclusive to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Leakers like Instant Digital and analyst Jeff Pugh have suggested that the smaller iPhone 17 Pro will not receive this upgraded telephoto module this year. Instead, it might remain on the current 5X telephoto system while Apple tests the waters with the larger Pro Max. Then, in 2026, when the iPhone 18 series launches, both the Pro and the Pro Max may inherit the 48MP telephoto upgrade. This is very reminiscent of what Apple has done in the past. For instance, back in the iPhone 12 series, the 12 Pro Max had a unique 2.5x telephoto lens that the regular 12 Pro lacked. Similarly, with the iPhone 15 lineup, the 5x telephoto zoom was only available on the Pro Max, while the Pro stayed limited to 3x zoom. Apple knows the Pro Max buyers are the most willing to pay for exclusive features, and this could be another way to differentiate the top-tier iPhone. The downside? If you're someone who prefers a smaller phone but still wants the very best camera Apple makes, you may feel left out. Still, from a hardware engineering perspective, it makes sense. A physically moving zoom module requires more internal space, and the Pro Max's larger 6.9-inch body is simply better suited for housing it. So in short, expect the iPhone 17 Pro Max to be the camera king of 2025, especially for zoom photography. Relocated antennas. Better 5G and signal strength. Another fascinating leak points to relocated antenna bands on the iPhone 17 lineup. Traditionally, we've seen antenna lines integrated into the sides of the iPhone's metal frame. But according to insiders, Apple is moving those antenna modules closer to the camera bump instead. Why? Two reasons: improved reception and stability. This relocation could result in stronger, more consistent millimeter wave 5G performance. If you've ever struggled with spotty 5G indoors or when traveling, this could help smooth things out. A cleaner design. By moving antennas away from the frame edges, Apple can deliver a sleeker, more uniform aesthetic. This means fewer breaks in the metal finish, making the iPhone 17 look even more seamless. Apple already experimented with this approach on the Apple Watch Ultra, where the antenna redesign significantly improved GPS and cellular performance. So it's not surprising that they'd bring a similar idea to the iPhone 17. On top of that, shifting the antenna components frees up a bit of internal space. While it may not sound like much, even small design tweaks can allow for slightly larger batteries or more advanced thermal systems. And with Apple rumored to be working on vapor chamber cooling for future iPhones, every millimeter matters. Screen sizes and leaked protectors. Confirmation at last now. Let's talk displays. Thanks to a series of leaked screen protectors, we now have confirmation of the exact screen sizes for the iPhone 17 family. iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. Both will feature 6.3-inch displays, just like the iPhone 16 Pro. iPhone 17 Air. This new model will sit between the Standard and Pro Max, with a 6.6-inch display. iPhone 17 Pro Max, the largest of the bunch, rocking a massive 6.9-inch screen. This confirms that Apple isn't shrinking or enlarging displays this year. Instead, they're refining brightness, durability, and possibly introducing new coatings like the rumored anti-reflective layer, which we'll cover in a moment. The leaks also revealed case designs, which match perfectly with the screen protector. Dimensions. That's why these accessory leaks are so reliable. Third-party case makers often receive design specifications from Apple's supply chain months in advance to prepare their products. And this year, those leaked cases come with an interesting twist.